Hello everybody, this is Dory. I hope you can hear me. My microphone just is not working and I threw my wireless one into the dryer a couple of months ago and I just haven't bought another one. So I'm working with my old microphone and a transmitter and they are just not syncing up to the camera. It is so annoying, but I wanted to pop on, say hello. This is going to be just a really quick fire video because there's a couple of things I'm trying to get rid of out of my closet. Mainly because I bought something else. I'm supposed to be not buying anything, but I wanted to buy just one more thing because it's just been rattling my head that I don't actually have a big bag anymore. Anyway, there are a couple of things that I want to get rid of. You can see one sitting right back there. So this is a bag that has been on my Poshmark for a while, maybe about a month now. I listed. It's my Dooney and Bourke satchel in the denim color. I think I would like to sell this off mainly because I go for my Florentine, my natural Florentine one so much, and this one hasn't been worn yet. I kind of think it's probably the wrong blue. I love the way this looks. Like, I love this blue color. This is the denim. I like the color on its own, but when I try it on with my wardrobe, it just doesn't really look well. I haven't worn it. I thought I was gonna keep it, so I didn't keep the tag on there. I don't think. It has the dust bag and everything in there, and the strap is all inside, but I don't think I kept the tag. Usually I keep the tag and stuff it in the pocket, but I think I was so sure about keeping this that I didn't keep the tag attached because I didn't think I was gonna get rid of it. But yeah, this has been on my Poshmark for a little while now, maybe about a few weeks, but this is the first bag that I would like to sell on and move on. I don't really want to donate it, but I will, just to make space, because the thing about my bags is I've already started moving into my son's top shelf of his closet, mainly because some of the bags are a little bit too wide to fit in my little shelf in my closet. So I don't want to overrun the house with handbags. I only have about like 20. I like to keep it down to about 20, 25, but I don't want to just take over the house or to get a whole separate bookshelf. I'm not really there yet in my mind. That's what I want to do. So that's a larger bag. One's about 13 inches across. The next bag I want to get rid of is one of my favorite bags. I want to sell on my Clementine bag. Sorry, my mind is just so flat right now. I want to sell on my Clementine bag by the horse. You guys know I love this bag. It's still in new condition. I cannot find the dust bag for this though, and it was a really nice dust bag, so hopefully I can find it. But if one of you guys decides to purchase this from my Poshmark, I'm gonna list it as not having the dust bag because I really can't find it. I thought it was folded in my closet, but having a toddler, you just never know. So I won't be able to include the dust bag as of right now. I don't know where it is. Maybe I'll find it, but it's still in new condition. There's no call outs to mention, but there's no stains, anything. I don't really keep anything in my bags that would stain it other than lipstick, but that's usually in a pouch. This is the back pocket. Everything's clean. I don't even wear perfume, so it doesn't smell like perfume. I don't smoke. You guys know that. So I was surprised that I have been considering selling this for the last month and a half because you guys know it's one of my favorite bags. When I wear it, I stay in there for a while. But I'm selling this mainly because it's black, and you guys know I have a real problem with black bags, so I only need about 1 or 2 black bags. So selling this because I would rather have it in a different color, maybe the oat color at the horse or that green color, maybe even that coffee color. I don't know. I really like the oat color with the gold, so that's the next one. Keep this short and concise because I'm momming. I've decided to let it go. I think if this had a crossbody strap, it would be perfect. Because the thing is, I don't have a lot of bags that can fit my camera. So I end up throwing my camera in my son's diaper bag a lot of the times when I'm out and about. And I want a bag that can fit my camera, has top handles, things like that. This does not have a crossbody strap, so it's impossible for me to carry this, be cute, and a mom at the same time. And this is a very rare find. So I've been holding on to it. I love this bag as well. Sometimes I just feel like if I love it this much, somebody else will love it more, so much so that they would wear it. Somebody out there is probably looking for this bag in the exact same color and they cannot find it. Brand new with tags, still has the tags attached, still has all the stuffing on the inside. I have never worn this, and it's been a year since I've had it. So this is the Dooney and Bourke. My son has told you. My Dooney and Bourke toggle top handle satchel, perfect condition. I'm gonna be sad to see this go. I sold the white one earlier. Was holding on to this just for sentimental reasons. I love it so much, but I need something that I'm gonna actually wear. And I don't want it to just take up space just because it's beautiful. I even thought of using it as decor, but I'm gonna let it go. Last but not least, I've decided to let go the Dory bag that I bought last fall, the Coach Outlet Rowan in the floral. I'm getting rid of this mainly because it's heavy. When I put just minimal items in there, it does fit my camera, but even with just minimal items in there, like my wallets, keys, whatever, it gets so unbearably heavy. I'm going to include this strap that I got from Amazon that I felt made it more comfortable. It's just a nylon strap with daisies on it. I also am going to, of course, include the original leather crossbody strap in there. I've never worn it. I removed the tags and everything, but I was looking for this. Still has the hang tag. It's very cute on, especially with like black outfits and things like that. This does make it a wider strap. If you have any sort of wider strap, it does make the weight more bearable. But most of the time I feel like top handle is the best, but I cannot do strictly top handle bags at this point in my life. My toddler is really heavy at this point. He's turning 3 soon. So I need something that I can have crossbody, or something that isn't so heavy with minimal items, because when a bag is big like this, I like to be able to go throughout my day and continuously add. So when I just have the most basic of basic items in there and it's heavy, it's a no for me. So as much as I loved it and as much as it fits my personality and everything, I've decided to let this go as well. So 1, 2, 3, that's 4 bags. I have 1 SLG I'm thinking about getting rid of too. Let me go grab that. I just want to apologize for filming when I'm so low energy. That's why I haven't been filming lately, because my energy has just been so poor lately. I want to get rid of my quilted card holder in black brass. I bought this last year for my quilted tabby I had in black brass. I don't feel like this style is for me. You open it, it has all of these slots in here. It's not enough organization for me. It's like a dump and go wallet. So I just don't think this style is for me. I wore it one time. Has a back pocket. It's in good condition. So I think I'm going to get rid of that one as well. So I find myself having to sort through things when I wear it. It has a back pocket. I don't have my black quilted tabby anymore, and I don't really like to wear black bags. So I just kind of want to get rid of this one as well. It doesn't really take up a whole lot of space because it is a small wallet, but just for the sake of not having things that I'm not wearing, I want to get rid of that one too. And this is random. This is just a Coach Outlet wristlet that I got when I think I got this when I first got to Texas. I never wore it though. I like my creature collection more. So I'll probably list this as well. I forgot I even had this, but it's brand new. I haven't worn it. So this is going to be listed too. I don't know if anybody's going to buy it because it's such a random purchase, but this is from 4th of July last year. I remember I got it when I went to, I think I visited Round Rock Outlet here in Texas, close to Austin. And I went there on the way, I think it was on the way in or before we moved in here. I can't remember, but yeah. I got this because I just wanted a wristlet, and I got a few wristlets at that time, but I forgot I even had this until I went to get this one out. So yeah, talk to you guys later. Thank you guys so much. Those of you who have ordered from my little soap company, I've been trying to see if I can revive. I'm going to start shipping orders next week. I'll be able to ship most orders, but for some reason, one of my vendors is taking like 2 weeks to send one small batch of an ingredient that I'm missing for one product that I need. So I won't be able to get that till next Wednesday. But either way, I'm just waiting on that ingredient and a set of labels to get delivered. But thank you guys so much. I did get a surprise order from somebody who used to make videos but doesn't anymore. I don't know if she wants me to shout her out or anything, because I didn't even know she was still watching videos. But thank you guys so much to those that have ordered. Pre-order sale is still going on. And that, I believe that'll be ending shortly. I'll probably end that when I'm done packaging all my orders next week. But yeah, that's it for today's video. Sorry again for all of the low energy, but I wanted to pop on because I always list my bags and then I pop on and say, oh, I sold this. And then you guys are like, wait, what if we wanted it? You know, I'm trying to time this in a way that I can get the video posted, and while it's uploading, I can list all the bags. So it's like more of a balance, because sometimes I'll list the bags and then I'll film it. And by the time I upload it, all the bags are gone, because sometimes they sell as soon as I list it. And then other times it takes a little bit longer to sell. Like Dooney and Bourke bag is still sitting there unsold, and it's been about a month since I posted it. I think it's been about a month. But yeah, I'm trying to balance it this time. By the time I upload this video, I've already taken the pictures of all the bags. So by the time I upload this video, I will have those up on my Poshmark, hopefully at the same time. And I have to remember to link my Poshmark on this video. But yeah, we'll talk to you soon. Hopefully my energy will be better. And thank you guys again for ordering, for watching the video and supporting me. And I will see you in the next one. Bye.